Yo everybody, this is Rock the Great, aka the Toy Bookie, and in today's video I wanted to just go over, this might be one of the quickest dioramas I've ever made. It is inspired by the Resident Evil 2 remake. I am currently playing it. I got it for 20 bucks at Target. Yesterday or a few days ago, I got it at $20 at Target for 20 bucks. I price matched. GameStop was selling it for 20 bucks for some reason, so I picked it up. I haven't played a Resident Evil game since like the original PlayStation 2 Resident Evil game, so I was inspired to make a Raccoon Police Department hallway. I'm pretty happy, and it's just super quick. I'm gonna show you, there's a lot of cool little things to it, but I just wanted to show you guys and also give you guys inspiration that you can do dioramas in, like, this might have took 10 to 20 minutes without dry time. You know, like if you count the drying time, I don't know, but it's just, you can do really simple dioramas for cheap. This is all really cheap stuff. I think everything here is actually dollar store foam or dollar store parts. So I'm going to break down everything, and then at the end you can see the work in progress shots. You know what? Let's show you. This is what I wanted to show you first. So this is the hallway of the Raccoon City Police Department. This is the inspiration. I'll show you a picture. I wasn't going for like an exact, but I just wanted that like style. And I'm really happy how it came out, and it's very simple, and anyone could do this. But first I want to just show you with the light. Oh, hey! Enjoying that free content? Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, even if you have nothing to say. The YouTube algorithm would love it, and you'd be supporting my channel, so I could bring you more free content. Thanks for watching. Get back to the video. Light off. So, I'll put that light right there, and look at that. That looks cool already. You could see I have a custom zombie girl figure, but hold on, let me see. With the light off, and then, no, you can't see it, so let me put this up. So I just wanted to show you, like, see how I could get some shots, like, look right there, like, with her face just poking out. I can get, like, a close-up right there. I know the green is not very Resident Evil, but this is a very evil, that is the girl's head from Evil Dead, so this is a very Evil Dead, like picture. But if I wanted to put like this light back here and not have that, like, maybe, I mean, you know, you would just have to mess around with it. Where's my, I thought I had a normal color lights here somewhere. No? Oh, did that die? But I just wanted to show you guys, like, that you could get the lighting behind there. Like, see that? That looks cool. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna do some cool toy photography with this. I want to get like some blue lights behind there. But there you go. Oh, these lights. Okay. Let's do the details, because the details are what I'm like excited about. So hold on, let me see. All right, we have just some broken wooden planks on the floor, because if you do play this game, you know that they bust through the windows even when you put the wooden planks up on them. I just have, this is actually like a tile pattern that is in Resident Evil. They do like this weird, it's all white tiles, but then there'll be some scattered black tiles for some reason. Then that's the herb, the green herb that you eat for health. Or I don't know if they eat it or you just rub it on you. I don't know what they do in the game. I have just like some garbage, like this is a paper printout, like a newspaper. Because there is just junk all over. Here's some boxes. I actually have a tutorial coming out soon how to make those boxes. And I also have a tutorial coming out soon how to make these planters. So stay tuned for that. And then this is just dollar store popsicles. Do I have any left? No. They're just dollar store popsicles. You cut them. They cut easy with just your X-Acto. And then I crazy glued those on here. Again, this was a very fast diorama. I'm really happy. I did a little bit of gloss on the tiles. So those are glossed, so they're glossy. And then all this is, let me take this stuff out of here, is, let me take her out of there. Oop. I didn't even glue it together. This is just dollar store foam. So like, look at that. Dollar store foam, nothing. Super easy, and you can get, I'm telling you, you can get a bunch of cool shots with this. And I'm really happy how it came out. Again, lately I've been really I haven't been feeling like doing dioramas. I have so many projects that I've been wanting to work on. Here you go. I could put some, I'll put the Mezco. I wanted to do this for the NECA style Resident Evil figures, but it could work with these zombies also. Let me see. Here, there you go. And there's just some zombies. A little bit of weathering goes a long way. Let me see. You could put, you know, let's see how this, put this back here. There you go. Oh, there you go. Well, that's all. I just wanted to make sure I uploaded a video. I have a lot of big projects I'm working on right now and a lot of big videos I'm editing. So I just thought I was doing this for fun. And I thought I would make a quick little video on it in case anyone was interested. And I haven't seen a lot of Resident Evil dioramas, believe it or not. I was doing some research. And so I just thought, you know, I'll get mine out there. Maybe it'll inspire somebody to do a cooler one. And then, there you go. Yeah, I'm just chilling today, man. Everyone's in this quarantine thing. How's everybody doing? I've been doing some live streams. Oh, so everybody, I'm doing a scheduled live stream every Wednesday because I always get people who miss them. So I'm going to be live streaming every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So if you don't get the notification, if you don't see me post anywhere, I'll just go to my channel at 7 p.m. on Eastern time on Wednesdays, and I should be live streaming then. Let me try and think of some other stuff. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to get a video out today. You know, it's just, oh man, this quarantine thing. But I'm still having a good time. I'm doing some crafts, and I got so many videos to edit. So this was an easy video I could just post up. Definitely go check out my other tutorials. Give those a watch. They've been doing great lately. Thanks again, everybody. Make sure you keep hitting the like button and leaving a comment. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, I'm in my new studio now, so I'm gonna have a whole workplace. I know a lot of people used to get mad that I was on the floor in my older videos. But, so I'm in a new workplace, and there's going to be a lot of cool videos coming out. Again, I'm really happy how this turned out, and it was only stuff from the dollar store, and it took about 20 minutes. So anyone could do this, super easy. Just have fun with it. Again, that's all dioramas are, having fun. It's a craft, miniatures, all that stuff. And I'm out of here. This was Rocco the Great, aka the Toy Bee. Wow, I really need a coffee today. The Toy Bookie. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay great. Peace. Do you like toy photography? Do you like tricks and tips? Then follow me over at the Toy Bookie on Instagram. Are you into art? Graphic design? Sexy Rocco? Follow me at Rocco the Great. Bye. I'm a dying.